Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install Metatrader 5. So what you want to do is just easily write to Google Metatrader 5, then click here, and then you have to click on a macOS or download Metatrader 5 for Windows. Then you click here Metatrader 5 setup, and you're gonna click yes, or you don't see the screen right now, and then simply next here, and you just wait until it's going to be downloading. And when you're gonna be here, click finish. Right here, you're gonna be
incoming mail.
Look at this, and here you are in Metatrader 5. So right now I got a lot of signals and a lot of audio here. So this is how you can easily download it. And then you have to sign up to actually, like, if you want to access all the services. And this is just demo account here. But here you can log into community web trader, log into trader account, and then you can simply like log in here, right? And then you can simply start trading and use Metatrader 5. So this is pretty much it. This was like a quick video on how you can download Metatrader 5. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments, and thank you and have a great goodbye. See ya.